I don't know if many of you noticed, but I haven't been posting on this channel in like 50 days. Well, that's probably not a surprise because I occasionally post on this channel, sometimes I don't. And you might be kind of confused on what's going on. Am I gonna commit to it or not? But hey, you know, this channel has been really a rough time for me. I started like 2 years ago and I have 230 something subscribers right now, like 200 maybe. I don't remember how many watch hours I have. 240 something maybe, I don't know. But this channel has been a rough time for me. I've not been posting much and that's why I'm quitting. That's simple, you know, if you can't make it, just quit and start a new one. Guess what? I'm starting a new channel which is called Jane Designs. Actually, no, I'm changing my name to Jenny, so it's Jenny Designs. How creative, right? Jane, Jenny, you know. Anyway, my new channel actually has a niche. Actually is consistent. I have 5 videos on there and I post videos every single week. I already have videos recorded for it. Don't judge me. This time I'll actually stay committed to it and be consistent on my new channel, you know, something like that. But please listen up. You should go and subscribe to my new channel. And in this video today, I'll be sharing my YouTube analytics and YouTube analytics of this channel and also YouTube analytics of my new channel, which has 5 videos right now. So stay tuned. I'll be showing the new one, right? And I'll be showing the old one. And honestly, it pisses me off so much. And I'll be showing you guys how it went and how it's going. And I don't know, maybe you will get some wisdom out of it. Who knows? But it will be really fun. So you should watch until the end for sure. Because trust me on this. Who has ever made a lame video? Okay, let's go. Okay, so firstly, let's look at this is my channel dashboard page right now. And I have 237 subscribers as of today. And honestly, you can see that my last video has been posted 45 days ago. I'm sorry guys. I've not been consistent here. Okay, let's see. Let's go to my channel analytics page. And you can see that let's pick all time, lifetime. And you can see that I've started this channel in 2024 May. I had 2 subscribers. Then I posted 2 of my videos actually. Did I post them on the same day? That's oh no, I posted them with like 2 weeks difference or something like that. It would be crazy if I posted it in the same day. That would be weird. That was like 2 years ago, so I don't even remember. And so I had like, are those views? Yeah, I had wait, we can pick subscribers. So I had like, so I posted my videos, right? I posted my first video April 11th, right? And April 26th, I had 3 subscribers. It was not going well. Then, wait, why is it like 2103? What? That's crazy. Oh, wait a sec. It's like how many new subscribers again, actually. Okay, I was wrong. Okay. Then I posted 8 videos in October. Just in October, 8 videos. Oh, I've been pretty consistent in October. Pretty cool. Which didn't get me far. You can see it, like, it did have some views. Like, you can see the most I had was like 600, I think. It's really hard to pick some. Wait, let me do this real quick. Yeah, you can see that the most views I had was 860 in a day. Ever. That's like the most I had in a day. Well, it's fine. It's fine. You know, we all learn. Then I had another 3 videos in November, 2 videos in October. Damn, I had so many videos in October. I was so logged in October. That's insane. Wait, I was posting like every 3 days. Damn. I was popping out those videos. That's crazy. Then I had 2 in March, 2 in April, 1 in February, and 1 in March. As you can see, as I posted my last video 45 days ago, I'm still getting views. I had 11 views in the last 48 hours. Like, I go on this channel to check analytics every day just for fun. to see how it's going, and it always freaking gets so many views. Like, it's crazy. Let's go to my content over here. And you can see my videos over here. You can see this is my latest one, which was 16 minutes long. It had 5.3 watch hours. The retention rate is bad. It's really, really bad. Ugh. Click-through rate is even worse than retention rate. Clock it. Clock it. You've probably not ever seen anything worse than this. Anyways, A/B thumbnail testing. It didn't even run because there wasn't enough views on this video. A channel I had for 2 years with 200 something subscribers, by the way. Oh, yeah, I know. Not good at all, but it's fine. It's fine, we're getting there. Oh, you know what analytics I want to show you guys? You want what I want to show you guys? Look. I go to audience right here, right? And there's like new viewers, casual viewers, regular viewers, stuff like that. Videos, growing your audience, whatever. Age and gender. Not enough demographic data to show this report in last 28 days. I can go click to see more. I go here. And I pick lifetime. This is the gender distribution. The gender distribution is so bad on this channel. Like, only 11% of viewers are female and 89% of viewers are male. Like, that's insane. But honestly, the gender kind of makes sense, I guess. There are a lot of people watching it who are like 25 to 34. Then there's a lot of people watching who are like 18 to 24. There are some girls watching it. Like, there are more of young girls watching it than young guys. There are some people watching it who are like over 45 years old, which is interesting. So yeah, something like this. This is the gender distribution kind of thing. Wait, let's go to top demographic data. Let's choose all time. And you can see that most of my views come from India. Well, I make programming and web design content, so that's normal. Then there is United States on the second place, Canada, Philippines, Germany, United Kingdom, Pakistan, whatever else there is. Lots of different countries. Damn, there's some from Japan. That's crazy. So yeah, that's my gender and geographic analytics. Excuse me. So let's see what else I can show you. Let's see, there's analytics of my content. Wait, let's see, audience. Monthly audience, you can see it's like pretending because I'm not very consistent, but hey, it still has like a lot of like, it has a lot of people watching it still, even though I don't post anymore on this channel. That's crazy. Out of all my videos, I have 54 videos. I only have like, how many do I have published public? Let's go to my channel. I have 22 public videos, which is like, whee! Not a huge amount, but enough, I guess. So yeah, I got to 237 subscribers in 22 videos, which I think is really good. It's just like, recently, you can see, okay, let's go back. Here are my older videos. I had this video, 97 views, 250, 1,500, then 120, 260, 600 something, 100, 200, 900, and then it's like 69, 200 something, 40 something, 100 something. Like, guys, why did my videos randomly stop getting many views? Anyway, I was thinking about it, and my content is all around here. Like, look, I make it like best VS Code extensions, then how to prepare for a programming competition hackathon thing, then how to be creative with UI UX design, you know, best portfolio website. Like, It's like goes like programming extensions, programming competition, design guide, portfolio website, design guide, project demo, programming competition. Then it goes like programming competition, motivation content. Then there's more design fails, more portfolio stuff. Like, what is this? Like, this is so inconsistent. Isn't inconsistent. So I was like, you know what? I'll make a new channel. Let me show its analytics now. So this is my new channel. If you want to, you should subscribe. No pressure, but you really should, because if not, then I'd be really mad. And honestly, it's an amazing channel. You should definitely subscribe. It gives you so much information. It talks about web design and just graphic design in the future as well. It will show like how to design, why you should design, I don't know, answers all the questions you have. It's the best channel out there. Trust me on this. Please subscribe. Anyway, let's continue. No pressure though, but you definitely should subscribe, you know. Okay, you can see I have 5 videos, 14 subscribers. Let's go to YouTube Studio. This video I posted 14 hours ago. Impression click-through rate is unavailable for now for some reason, but it has 4 views, 14 subscribers. Okay, let's go to my content. You can see I have my first video got 106 views, 8 likes, which let me actually show this to you. This was actually pretty interesting for me. You can see, so I posted, right? And first day it got 5 views, right? Then 2 days it got 36 views. Then it got, after 3 days, 40 something, 4 days, 40 something, 5 days, 40 something, 6 days, 7 days. It didn't grow for 3 days. It was like 49. And it stayed for like that for 3 days. And after a week of being posted, it just randomly was like, you know what, I'll go up to like twice, you know, and it went up twice as much. Yeah, there's like 1 extra view in last 48 hours. Crazy. Yeah, the impressions, I have 2.5 click-through rate, which is not horrible for a small channel, but it's pretty not good, you know. So, impressions. At day 1, it was 39. Then it randomly went up to 1K after day 2. And just kept going. See this number? 2.4 thousand impressions, right? Right? And 2.5 thousand impressions and 2.5% click-through rate, right? Right? Let's go here. Impression click-through rate, 3.5%. It's higher. It's higher than my previous video, but it has 200 impressions. I mean, almost 300. So 18 views. 18 views, like, come on. It has higher click-through rate. Just push it to people, please. Retention rate is not great. Let me open it on the first video of mine. Yeah, retention is actually not horrible on this. It's actually not horrible. It's actually pretty good on this one. Let's go to this video. Just got 5 views. Impression click-through rate, you know, it's bad. But like 140 impressions is not enough for it. You know, like if it would have pushed it more, then maybe it would have gotten more click-through. But I don't know. Whatever it is. This video I posted like a week ago. 22 views, 5.4 click-through rate. Just push it more to people. Just like shove it there, shove it there, shove it there. Please, you know. Okay, retention rate is horrible. It's a disaster right here. Like, it's really, really bad. That's why it's not pushing it, so I'm not complaining. But, you know, click-through rate is high though. Please, you know, might as well. Okay, and then this video, I posted it just yesterday. So it's not been doing great, but it's not been doing, I mean, I can't judge right now. Okay, let's go to overview. Let's go to lifetime of my channel. It got 34 views after I posted the first video. On like 2 days later, it got 34 views in 1 day, which is the most I've ever gotten. Then it's like 2, 0, 1, maybe 6, 12, 5, 8, 2, 3, you know, things like that. And you can see I've been posting videos consistently. So, trustworthy channel. Trustworthy channel. You should go check it out. You should go follow it. You should smack that subscribe button because I said so. Please. Okay, you can see I have 7 views in the last 48 hours on an active channel, while my old channel, oh my god, let me show it to you. My old channel, I have 11 views in the last 48 hours on a channel that I'm not even posting on, while this channel is new and I have 7. Guys, please help me on this. Go follow it, please. You know, for me, please. I promise I'll be better at YouTube. Following me right now is like buying a Bitcoin in 2008, because you know how much better I'll get in YouTube with your guys' help. Like, if you follow me, it will motivate me to make better videos, you know. Things like that, you know. You're not clocking it. Go follow it. Okay. So this is my new channel. That's how it's going so far. Let's see, analytics, audience. I don't know if it will show me anything because, low-key, this is pretty new. This is pretty new. Yeah, it doesn't show me anything right here yet, but, okay, content. See, I have 5 videos here. I also make a post after every single video, except one because I kind of just didn't, you know. So I make a post after every single video. I have videos right here. In analytics, it's going like this. You know, something like that, regular stuff. I don't know what else I could show you. That's pretty much all of it that I could show. So this is how my pages, how my YouTube homepage looks like for now, because I don't have many videos, but invest. You know, invest. You should invest in it. Okay, so this is all for those videos. You can see them right here. So yeah, this was a summary of all the analytics I could possibly show you. Okay, let me actually show you this. On my old channel, I have, to get monetized, you have to hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours. I have 196 public watch hours and 237 subscribers on this channel. On my new channel, I have, lifetime. I have 4.3 watch hours time. You know, I only need like 100 times more. I'm just saying, like, you know, you should go watch stuff. It's great videos, honestly. I'm getting so much better at them, I'd say. And 157 views, 14 subscribers, you know. You should go watch it. You should go follow it. Okay, I'll stop. Okay. Let's see. Boop. This was all for showing my YouTube analytics. So now, do whatever you will with it. You know, you can use this information to start your YouTube channel, or maybe just like you were curious and noisy and wanted to take a look, but do whatever you want with it. I just wanted to share it, you know, because might as well, you know, why not? And I'd say this is my last video on this channel, so you should really go follow the other channel. It's called Jane Designs. I'll also leave a link to it in the description and as a pinned comment. Please subscribe, I need it, please. Okay, bye-bye. Hope to see you on my new channel and see you soon.